I'll make a quick part two. So when you get to the end of the install process, you just hit return. And now what it's going to do, it's going to go through and it'll boot off the hard drive. I believe we're still going to leave the hard drive in place and then we can install all the packages. 3.3 differs a little bit. I went with 3.2 because there was issues trying to run Steve's software on 3.3. I decided to try it on original NeXT hardware with a fresh install as well, because that's what it says to do. And then I'll kind of just follow their instructions step by step. And then I actually log in as S Jobs, which should be pretty fun. So I get to play Steve. And then, with any luck, I'll be able to figure out the apps. So there may be some outtakes there, some cursing and other things. And I'm sure Steve would be lighting my derriere up on a few of the things that I'm doing. I am doing some fun stuff with 3D printing, though. Okay. So now it's going through. It finds our floppy disk. Here's the 1 gig drive. We've got now 3.2 instead of Mach 4.1. It's got the 3.2 disk mounted there, the SCSI disk. Okay, network. Yeah, everything's looking pretty good. This is a system I just resurrected the other day that was used at WordPerfect. So for development, and it's got the WordPerfect badge on the back. Let's see if I can find that real quick. You can see that it's WordPerfect on the back. I'm just kind of winging this. I hope it's fun. I know I can do a lot more professional stuff. It's Sunday night, Father's Day. Happy Father's Day out there. I miss my dad every day. He passed a little over a year ago. Oh, man. So this is a pretty emotional day for me, too. NeXT USA, we're going to hit that. And then that's just the NeXT USA style keyboard, which is a non-ADB keyboard. So here it's installing the packages for English. NeXT is pretty neat. I think it's one of the first operating systems that supported multiple languages, that with the click of a button, you were able to go into Spanish, German, French, Swedish. I think there was even Turkish. They had kanji, and I believe there's even a Chinese version. And I'm probably forgetting Italian. And I think there's a few other languages that were ported over as well. So it even changes up in the app. So now you see we've got version 3.2 coming up. And I'm surprised that it doesn't have additional packages here. So for what I'm doing, I'm going to pause right here. And we're just going to call it good for now. And I will return, and hopefully we'll have a little fun with those Steve Jobs apps here in a little bit. Stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole.